Make sure you keep a close eye on that cough or sore throat. It may be the influenza virus. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jennifer Singh. Flu cases are on the rise in Oregon, so much so that Samaritan Health Services is reducing the number of visitors allowed in their birthing centers. Reporter Noah Chavez shows us how long the restriction will last and ways to prevent the spread of the virus.
The flu is on the rise in Oregon. Oregon Health Authority reports 18.7% of tests over the past week came back positive for influenza.
We're seeing, at least over the last couple of weeks, an increase in the number of positive tests. We typically at Samaritan measure the percentage of total tests sent for flu that are positive. Our latest numbers show up to 18% of tests that are being sent are positive, and at the last total week that was 800 tests.
That number is far too high for Samaritan officials who enacted a restriction on visitors to their birthing centers at all of their hospitals.
We want to make sure we're protecting the most vulnerable populations, which definitely includes the babies and the kids, and so that's where our restrictions for visitation are targeted.
All their pediatric centers will only allow 2 visitors plus 1 support person, while the birthing centers will allow 4 plus 1 support person as well.
So children under 12 will not be allowed in the birthing center, but parents would be.
Now, it can't be stressed enough the importance of washing your hands and covering your mouth when you're either sneezing or coughing. Those simple habits taught in grade school are very much as important right now.
As if you have symptoms of an illness, staying home until you're fever-free for 24 hours and your symptoms are getting better, that's going to reduce the risk of spreading it on to other people as well.
Until the percentage of flu tests drop to less than 5%, the restrictions will stay in place.
The main thing that you can do to minimize the impact of flu is to get a flu vaccine as well. The risk of severe illness, and while that's overall low, it can be made a whole lot lower by getting a flu vaccine. So that's the main thing that you can do to proactively protect yourself.
In Corvallis, I'm Noah Chavez reporting.